why SMART goals make a difference.
SMART goals help you break down big ambitions into manageable steps. By making goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, you'll clearly see what you want to accomplish and how to get there. This approach stops goals from being vague wishes and turns them into real, actionable plans for learning any new skill.
Breaking down the S in SMART specific.
A specific goal answers exactly what, why, and how. Instead of saying, I want to learn guitar, try, I want to learn to play 3 beginner songs on the guitar for family gatherings. Clarity makes it easier to focus your efforts and recognize your success.
M is for measurable progress.
Making a goal measurable means you can track your progress. Decide how you'll know you're moving ahead. For example, I will practice guitar for 20 minutes every day and record myself playing each week. Visible milestones help you stay motivated.
Achievable and relevant goals matter.
Achievable goals are realistic for your current situation, skills, and resources. Don't set yourself up for frustration by aiming too high too soon. And always ask if your goal is relevant. Does it fit in with your other priorities or long-term plans? This keeps your learning meaningful.
Time-bound for maximum focus.
A time-bound goal has a deadline to keep you on track. For instance, I will learn 3 songs on guitar in the next 2 months. Timelines create urgency, help you measure progress, and make it more likely you'll reach your learning target.
Putting it all together. An example.
Combine all elements for a solid SMART goal. I will learn to play 3 beginner guitar songs to perform at the family reunion in 2 months, practicing 20 minutes a day. With this clear framework, your skill-building journey becomes focused, structured, and achievable.